finish up with two reels. Mayor Harrison's Fedora. It's a funny name for an Irish reel. Mayor Harrison was the mayor in Chicago, and before the turn of the last century, up to about 1915, he was the mayor. Now, how did he end up being given a tune all to himself? Well, there was a chief of police from Cork originally who collected music around Chicago, Chief O'Neill, and he obviously found this tune. He had no name for it, so he called it after his buddy. And that's how that got its name. And then we're going to finish up with the London Lasses, which is a nice